Hello, and welcome to this relaxing session. I am honored to guide you. Today you will discover how mindfulness can alleviate anxious or depressed moments with ease. All you have to do is follow my voice as I guide you to let go of all that you need to. Find a spot where you can escape reality or ignore the outside world for a while. Take a nice big breath in and close your eyes. Relaxing. When you breathe in again, open your eyes and let your eyes find somewhere that you can fixate your gaze on. Take 3 deep breaths and do not look away. Notice the color of what you see, the texture or shape, the movement or stillness, the distance of what you see from where you sit. One last breath in. As you exhale, let your eyes gently close. Very comfortable and relaxed. When we are stressed, it is hard to focus. So when we focus, it is difficult to be stressed. So, if you are ready to let go of doubt and worry, then let's use the power of paying attention to feel our best. Allow your attention to become centered on your thoughts. What do you see passing by in your mind? Maybe you remember what you were doing today or yesterday. The people you were talking to and the places you went. See these memories and thoughts coming into your mind swiftly and going just as quickly. This is the nature of the mind. Going and coming. Just like the seasons and the sun in the sky. Endlessly coming and going. Now begin to imagine that you are walking through a beautiful meadow. Feel the grass below your feet. The soft earth is supporting you. A gentle breeze caresses your skin. You can smell the fresh outdoor air. Breathe deeply and imagine that this meadow can lift your stress from your life. Now let the image of the meadow fade and take a big breath in. Open your eyes and remember to use the power of your breath to take you away from stress.